This founder built a $10 million company in 6 months. His secret weapon? He doesn't code, he doesn't design, and he barely works 4 hours a day. You've heard the hype, but this isn't just hype anymore. This is the moment AI flips the rules of entrepreneurship forever. And if you don't understand these tools right now, you're already behind. In 2018, building a business meant late nights, burnout, and hiring expensive teams. In 2025, a single founder can launch, grow, and scale a startup from their phone. Because for the first time ever, AI is the co-founder. In this video, I'll show you the 5 game-changing AI tools redefining business, the exact ways entrepreneurs are using them to earn while they sleep, and how to unlock your full potential without burning out or breaking the bank. Let's start with the obvious: ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini. But here's what most people don't know. Smart entrepreneurs aren't just chatting with it. They're building systems with it. They're using prompt chains like write me a cold email, a LinkedIn DM, and a 5-day drip sequence, all for B2B SaaS. And AI handles the copywriting, tone, and even A/B variations in 20 minutes, not 20 hours. Next, design. What used to take a $5,000 branding agency now takes Midjourney plus Canva. With a few words, create a sleek landing page for a productivity app targeting solopreneurs. And boom! Visuals, font pairings, even pitch decks generated in seconds. Bonus: tools like Durable and Framer AI can even launch your entire website from a one-line idea. Here's where it gets wild. Automation is the multiplier. Imagine this: a lead fills out a form, GPT writes a custom email, Zapier sends it, Pipedrive logs it, Slack notifies you, all while you're asleep. Welcome to auto entrepreneurship, where one person replaces 3 departments. Data isn't sexy, but profits are. And smart founders are using AI-powered analytics to make real-time business decisions. Tools like ChatGPT plus Code Interpreter for modeling, Browse AI for scraping competitor prices, Monkey Learn for customer sentiment analysis. Now your marketing doesn't guess, it knows. So what does this mean for you? Here's the framework that 6-figure AI founders are following. First, system greater than skill. Build with AI, not brute force. Second, focus on leverage. AI is the new team. Third, think like an architect. Let tools do the labor. Fourth, test fast, iterate faster. AI cuts failure time in half. Fifth, build while you sleep. Automate everything. Right now, you have 2 choices. Scroll to the next video and forget all of this. Or start building with AI today. Test, fail, try again. Because the tools are no longer the problem, it's how we use them. The best time to start was 2020. The second best time is now. This is the future, and it's already building itself.